What's up everyone and welcome to this video, and today I'm going to introduce you my new Amapiano sample pack volume 1. In this video I'm going to guide you through the sample pack and give you a brief introduction on what's included in this pack, so I hope you enjoy. So right now I'm going to guide you through the elements which I've added to my new Amapiano sample pack volume 1. So first I've added some claps, so some dry and some wet claps. So I've added 9 dry and 5 wet claps. Claps like this, or some which contain some reverb. I've also added some cymbals, so I've added some closed heads, some crashes which are often used in those beats and go really well together with the elements, and some open heads. So next up I've added some drum fills which you can use in almost every track and just play around with them. Then I've added those kicks. I've added a lot of kicks, some which are really deep, just drag them in and they sound awesome. Then I've added some log drum elements. So first I've added some MIDI files and I've added 6 log drum presets for the DX10. And if you're a Logic user or Ableton user, you could also use the log drum samples from the DX10, because I've sampled this one in C, as you can see, like this. And you could adjust them manually in the sampler and use them in your project. Then I've added some percussions which are ready to be dragged into the project. So I've added some bongos, some congas, rim shots, which are often used in Amapiano beats, some snares, really fire snares, toms, so I've included a variety of toms to this pack, and 2 triangle sounds. I've also added 10 original shaker loops, and I'm going to demonstrate the first one like this. And as you can see, when you drag it into arrangement, it already adjusts to the BPM of the project. So this one includes 10 original shaker loops. And then I've added some chants which I think are really awesome to add to your Amapiano project, and I've added them in MP3 and WAV. And I've also added those Vox samples. So if you're interested in the sample pack, make sure to download the free version. It's tagged as light version, and see if you like it. So when you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments, and I hope to see you guys in one of my next videos.